Okay, the task we have is to factorize the polynomial. Let me call it f of x equal to 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 4x minus 3. That's what we have to do. We want to factorize that polynomial. So what do? By trial and error, we can discover that if x equals to 1, then you have f of 1 is 2 plus 5 minus 4 minus 3, which is equal to 0. So x equals to 1 is a root. Since substituting x is equal to 1 in the polynomial gives us 0. Okay, so we go ahead and say that x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, we can form an equation since x is equal to 1, and we say x minus 1 is a factor of f of x. Okay, the other way to find other prime factors is to carry out a long division. So if I go ahead and do the long division, I'm going to divide by x minus 1. I'm dividing 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 4x minus 3. So this is a 2x squared. So I have 2x cubed minus 2x squared. If you subtract, this will be 7x squared minus 4x minus 3. Divide this plus 7x. Okay, and this will be 7x squared minus 7x. Okay, subtract. Okay, this is a positive 7 minus 4, so I have 3x minus 3. And then if I divide, I'll have a plus a 3 here. So this is 3x minus 3, and we get 0. Okay, so we can write and say that plus 7x plus 3, f of x can now be written as x minus 1, okay, then times 2x squared plus 7x, okay. Okay, so we further go ahead and factorize 2x squared plus 7x minus 3 into prime factors, okay. So do we have a number when we substitute in here? Okay, we get a 0, or the other way, since this is a quadratic, we can look for two numbers that add to positive 7, but the product is a minus 6. Okay, the sum is a positive 7 and the product is a minus 6. Do we have two numbers that sum to that? Okay, the product is, okay, this is a positive. I had made a mistake. The product is 6 and the sum is 7. I think when we look at 6 and 1, okay, those two multiply to 6 and the product is, and their sum is 7. So I can go ahead and say, okay, this is my f of x is equal to x minus 1 into 2x squared plus 6x plus x plus a 3. And then I have this as x minus 1, okay, into, this is a 2x into x plus 3, then plus x plus 3. And then the polynomial, okay, the cubic polynomial we had factorizes to x minus 1, okay, into x plus 3 into 2x plus 1. So we have fully factorized the polynomial, which we had as 2x cubed, okay, plus 5x squared minus 4x minus 3, okay. It's now equal to, the polynomial now has changed to x minus 1 into x plus 3 into 2x plus 1. That is it. Thank you. You can actually go ahead and say that the roots of that polynomial, the roots are x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 3, and x equals to a minus a half. Those are the roots of that polynomial.